Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'm going to showing you how you can record screen on your iPhone device after updating it to the latest version iOS 17. So if you're using iPhone device and you have updated your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 17 and then you want to record screen on your iPhone device, then in this video I will tell you that how you can do that. Just you will have to follow the steps, then you will be able to record screen on your iPhone device. So here you will have to just simply open setting of your iPhone device. Then after that, here you will have to just scroll it below. Then here you will have to tap on Control Center. After that, here you will have to scroll it below. Then here you will have to find the record screen option. So here is the screen recording. Just simply tap on addition sign. Then after that, here you will have to close this tab, open the home screen, and here you will have to open the control center. Then here you will find the option of record screen. So here is the record screen. Just simply you will have to tap on record screen. Here you can see that the screen recording has been started on my iPhone device. So here you can see that it's being recorded on my iPhone device. So this is the way through which you can record screen on your iPhone device. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.